Hi guys, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. We've got another fun tutorial here for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Siri to find out the name of the song that you have in your head. Hey Monique.
Hey.
Have you ever been listening to the radio at home, in your car, or out at a restaurant at dinner and thought, what is the name of that song and who sings it? Now, if you have an iPhone, you can easily find out. Here's how. Pick up your iPhone or iPad and activate Siri. Point it towards the source of the music and ask, "Who is this?" Then hold the phone up for a few minutes, let it listen. The song information will be shown to you. This song was playing on my stereo at the time of this recording. Press the home button to return to the home screen. Activate Siri and say, "Who is this?" Hold the phone up for a few moments, and the song information will be presented to you. If the song's available in the iTunes store, you can buy it right from this screen by tapping the Buy button. That has to be one of my favorite uses for Siri.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.